10 healthy lunch ideas for weight loss. For most people, eating lunch has become a matter of grab and go, whether at work or at home. When you are always in a hurry to eat, the chances are that you are not paying proper attention to what you are eating. This is because most eat out for lunch. In this video, we will focus on what to eat for lunch that is good for you and will help you lose weight. Losing weight is generally about creating a calorie deficit. That means consuming fewer calories than you use per day. Nevertheless, the composition of your diet also makes a huge difference. Studies show that you should eat more protein and fiber to achieve fast yet long-lasting weight loss. Doing so will help you feel fuller for longer, reduce your overall calorie intake, and boost your metabolism. Here are 10 healthy lunch ideas that you can safely prepare at home for lunch to help you achieve your weight loss goals. 1. Lentil soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots peeled and diced, 2 stalks of celery chopped, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 can, 14.5 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups dry lentils, 8 cups water, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: heat olive oil in a large pot. Sauté onion, garlic, carrots, and celery. Add bay leaf, oregano, and basil before pouring in your crushed tomatoes. Stir and let stew for 1 minute before adding your dry lentils and water. Bring your soup to a boil and then reduce the heat so it simmers gently. Let it simmer for at least 1 hour or until the lentils are cooked through. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste preferences. 2. Stuffed bell peppers. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized bell peppers, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1 onion chopped, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 can, 14.5 ounces diced tomatoes, 1 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, 3/4 cup corn kernels, 1 can, 14.5 ounces black beans drained and rinsed, salt and pepper to taste, juice of 1 lime, 3/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Procedure: heat olive oil in a large pan. Sauté garlic and onion until aromatic. Add paprika and cumin before pouring in your diced tomatoes. Stir until thoroughly combined. Add quinoa, corn, and black beans. Season with salt and pepper before removing from heat and stirring in the lime juice. Split each bell pepper in half lengthwise. Remove every pepper's core, seeds, and ribs before seasoning every piece generously with salt and black pepper. Fill each half with stuffing and arrange on a lightly oiled baking dish. Bake the peppers for 40 minutes in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Remove from heat and top each pepper with shredded cheese. Bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. 3. Pan-grilled salmon and greens. Ingredients: 1 salmon fillet, salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 lemon, mixed greens, vinaigrette. Procedure: season your salmon fillet generously with salt and pepper. In a frying pan, heat olive oil in medium-high heat. Place your salmon fillet at the center of the pan and let it cook undisturbed for 3 minutes. Flip the fish over to cook the other side for another 3 minutes. Remove the fish from the pan and place it on a bed of mixed greens, drizzled with your favorite vinaigrette. 4. Chickpea salad. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, zest and juice of 1 lemon, 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 2 cans cooked chickpeas drained and rinsed, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 2 cucumbers, sliced thinly into half circles. 1 red pepper, roasted and chopped. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped. 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, chopped. 1/2 cup goat cheese. Procedure: combine olive oil, lemon zest, lemon juice, garlic, salt, pepper, and cumin in a large bowl. Add in the chickpeas, tomatoes, cucumbers, pepper, parsley, and mint. Toss until well combined. Top with goat cheese and enjoy immediately or cool in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. 5. Spinach frittata. Ingredients: 10 eggs, 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese grated, 2 tablespoons full cream milk, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic minced, 1/2 pound fresh spinach, 1/2 cup goat cheese. Procedure: in a large bowl, combine eggs, cheese, milk, salt, and pepper. Whisk together until thoroughly combined and fluffy. In a cast iron skillet or another oven-proof pan, heat your oil. Sauté the onions and garlic before adding all your spinach. As the spinach begins to wilt, pour over your egg mixture. Quickly use a spatula to move the spinach around and let the egg mixture flow below it. Sprinkle all your goat cheese over the frittata and lower the heat. Cover the pan and let it cook undisturbed for 10 minutes. Remove your pan from the stove and place it in the oven to broil for 4 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the center of the frittata is no longer wiggly. 6. Chicken and couscous. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 pound chicken breasts, skinless and diced into 1-inch pieces, 4 cloves of garlic, finely minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon coriander, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 onion chopped, 1 red bell pepper cored and chopped, 1/2 carrot sliced into matchsticks, 1 1/2 cups chicken broth, 1/3 cups dried apricots chopped, 1 cup dry couscous, juice of 1 lemon, 1/2 cup slivered almonds, 2 tablespoons fresh mint chopped, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro chopped. Procedure: in a large pan, heat oil over medium-high heat. Add chicken to the pan and stir while adding garlic, cumin, cinnamon, coriander, turmeric powder, salt, and pepper. When the chicken is cooked through, remove it from the pan and set aside. Add onions, peppers, and carrots to the pan and cook until slightly softened. Pour in the chicken broth and add the dried apricots and bring it to a boil before adding in the couscous. Once the couscous is in, remove the pan from the heat and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Add in the chicken, lemon juice, almonds, mint, and cilantro. Toss gently until thoroughly combined. 7. Tuna and avocado salad. Ingredients: 3 cans tuna in water, drained, 1 avocado diced, 1 cucumber cubed, 1/4 onion thinly sliced, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro chopped, 1/4 cup olive oil, juice of 1 lime, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: in a large bowl, combine tuna, avocado, cucumber, onion, and cilantro. In a small bowl, combine olive oil, lime juice, cumin, salt, and pepper to make a dressing. Pour your dressing over the salad and toss gently until thoroughly combined. 8. Glazed pork and brown rice. Ingredients: 4 pork chops, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic, finely minced, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup chicken broth, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 cups brown rice cooked. Procedure: Season pork with garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and let sit for at least 10 minutes. In a heavy skillet, heat oil over medium-high heat. Add in pork and cook undisturbed for 4 minutes per side. Place cooked pork on a plate to rest. In the same skillet, add garlic, honey, chicken broth, and vinegar. Simmer the mixture until thickened. Place the pork back in the pan and baste each piece with the sauce. Remove the pan from the stove and place it in the oven to broil for 2 minutes or until the sauce becomes slightly sticky. Enjoy a serving of brown rice with it. 9. Beef and broccoli. Ingredients: 1 pound beef strips, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons cornstarch divided into 2, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, 1/4 cup water, 4 cups broccoli florets chopped into bite-sized pieces, 1/2 cup vegetable broth, 1/4 cup low-sodium soy sauce. Procedure: place beef in a large bowl. Add salt and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Toss to coat each piece of meat evenly. Set aside. In a heavy skillet, heat sesame oil over medium-high heat. Add the meat and stir-fry until just cooked. Remove the meat from the pan and set it aside. Sauté garlic, and once aromatic, add the water and broccoli. Cook for 5 minutes or until the broccoli is cooked through. In a small bowl, combine the remaining cornstarch, vegetable broth, and soy sauce. Pour this mixture over the broccoli and place the meat back into the skillet. Stir-fry for an additional 2 minutes until the sauce has thickened slightly. 10. Turkey wrap. Ingredients: 1 tortilla wrap, 1 tablespoon cream cheese, 1 teaspoon mustard, optional, 1/4 turkey breast cooked, 2 pieces of sliced bacon cooked, flesh of 1/2 avocado sliced, 2 cups tomato, 1 cup of lettuce shredded. Procedure: smear the center of one side of the tortilla wrap with cream cheese and mustard. Arrange turkey, bacon, avocado, tomato, and lettuce at the center of the wrap. Roll the tortilla as you would a burrito before enjoying or keeping it in the fridge for your next meal. These 10 healthy lunch ideas for weight loss will give you the protein and fiber you need to get in shape. For even better results, complement your diet with regular exercise. Getting fit while enjoying healthy lunches will help you achieve your weight loss goals in no time. Following our study references we used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.